Not everybody is a descendant of a pioneer that made their way across the plains into the valley. But all of us have forefathers, and regardless of our nation, our culture, where we lived, we all have pioneer heritage, and we ought to honor that pioneer heritage.
The pioneers in Brazil mean a lot to me because they paved the way for me. I am the recipient of the blessings that they, through their example, bless me.
Sometimes we forget to look back. Sometimes we forget to remember. And yet we build upon all of the things that were done in the past and all of those wonderful people who sacrificed so much.
The pioneer women were remarkable. You get reading and studying that history, and you start to study greatness. You study faith, trust, love of the Lord, connection to the Lord.
Unexpected hardships were a day-to-day expectation. And as we look at the way they went forward with faith and courage, I don't know that it's unlike our day.
The pioneers learned some great lessons by the mistakes they made. And that's true in everybody's life. Nobody is perfect. They weren't perfect. But that's the quest that all of us have.
Though our circumstances are different, our environment is different, we share the same faith that they had.
I said in one of my messages something like this: the joy we feel in our lives has little to do with the circumstances we face, but everything to do with our focus on Jesus Christ, because He is the source of all joy.
We're doing the very same thing that the early pioneers did. We are having our own journey. We are crossing our own trails. We are moving forward with faith in Jesus Christ, just as they did.
We should celebrate it as much as we can, not only on July 24th, but every single day of our lives, because they are our examples.
We have a great story. We have the great pioneer story.